Welcome everyone to Piedmont Triad International Airport. May K. Beeler here for Carolina Aircraft. Now you know we only specialize in the finest pre-owned, prime condition Beechcraft Barons and Bonanzas. And today I've got a 1994 A36 to tell you about. Lots to love here. Let's take a look. So let's take a look at the engine. It's a Teledyne Continental IO550 300 horsepower engine, new Millennium cylinders, GAMI fuel injectors, only about 784 hours since major overhaul from PowerMasters in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Same time on the prop, but only 30 hours since reseal. So we Bonanza lovers, we love the A36, and you're going to want to fly her places and show her off, be it for business or a vacation, dream destinations. Plenty of fuel to do that. You can see here we have the Deshannon tip tanks, so that's 15 extra gallons a side. So total, we have about 104 gallons of usable fuel. This Bonanza has about 2,810 hours total time since new. The paint scheme, it's white overall with Pontiac red, tin, and navy striping. Here you see we have the large double cargo doors, so easy to let our passengers and our cargo in the back. What's nice about this is the versatile seating. Of course, we can change it around. Right now, everybody is in the facing position, the club seating configuration. We can change that though. If everybody wants to face forward, we can move the seats around, or even if I want to remove or stow a seat, I don't need any tools. All I need to do is pick up on a bar, pull a pin, and we're in business. So come on in and let's check out the interior together. As you can see, we've got wonderful tan leather seats in great condition, tan carpet, the tan sidewalls, well, they are in perfect condition. Executive writing desk, very nice. Now I will tell you, the interior, just like the exterior, that was redone in 2004. So let's check out the flight deck, featuring a King KFC 200 Autopilot, flight director, slaved HSI with altitude hold and coupling, your Garmin GNS 430, GPS Navcom with WAAS, a King KX155 Navcom, Garmin GTX 345 Mode S with ADS-B transponder, a JPI EDM 701 digital engine monitor. And check this out, a yoke-mounted Garmin 796. Lots of great features, including music, traffic, and weather, displayed on a 7-inch color touchscreen display. Voice-enabled flight navigation narrates charted course in real time. Now this GPS navigation system has a digital document viewer, scratch pad, and preloaded geo-referenced AeroNav IFR and VFR en route charts. Enjoy 3D vision and terrain database, recreating a behind-the-aircraft perspective of the landscape. Other features you'll appreciate: Sigtronics intercom system, factory air conditioning, co-pilot brakes, approach flaps, co-pilot attitude indicator and DG, B&C standby alternator, Deshannon engine baffles, and you should know the wing Spar AD, it does not apply to this particular model. This beautiful 1994 A36 is ready to fly you away today. Now remember, there's so much to love here. The paint and the interior, that was redone in 2004. We have a lovely flight deck, great interior. We've got the tip tanks on board and the Deshannon baffles. Factory air conditioning, so much you're going to enjoy flying your new Bonanza. Now let me tell you, Bonanza School, it's included in the price of the aircraft. We want you to be safe and comfortable in your new A36. We have the logbooks, no damage history, only 2 owners since new, great maintenance. So what are you waiting for? Come see us here in Greensboro, North Carolina. I'm May K. Beeler, and I thank you so much for watching.